Guys, Real Madrid are pulling off the most insane rebuild in history. 8 players are confirmed to leave. The final exit is a total shock. While many could depart this summer, these 8 are gone the moment the window opens. First, David Alaba and Dani Carvajal won't have their expiring contracts renewed. Tobias and Fran Garcia are being sold to rival La Liga clubs. Gonzalo Garcia will be sold with a buyback clause included. Mastantuono is heading out on loan. After his latest blunder, Camavinga is being sold. Even Chelsea passed on him due to his high wage demands. Vini has chosen to stay at Madrid. The biggest shocker? Real have also sold Raul Asensio.